Okay, this might sound very controversial because some celebrities and even politicians are saying that it doesn't matter even if we burst crackers for a day. But in contrast, here are some evidences and facts. Air quality index basically tells us how breathable the air is. If it is below 50, it is considered clean. If it is between 50 to 100, it is considered moderate. But during Diwali 2024, Delhi's AQI was above 400, which is considered severe. In fact, some areas even reported AQI above 800, which is hazardous. That means the air becomes so dangerous that even healthy people struggle. Now imagine what would the condition be for children, elderly, or even people with asthma. Now this is basically caused by something called particulate matter. There are two types of particulate matter, PM 2.5 and PM 10. Normally the WHO says that PM 2.5 should stay below 15 micrograms per cubic meter, while PM 10 should stay below 45. But on a typical Diwali night, it is reported that PM 2.5 is over 600 and PM 10 is over 1000. That's basically not air, it's toxic dust. It irritates your eyes, inflames your lungs, and even can trigger heart problems. But here's the kicker, the polluted air doesn't vanish next day morning. It stays trapped for 3 to 5 days depending on the wind and the weather conditions. Of course, fireworks are fun, they are tradition, they are nostalgia. And the industry of fireworks is worth over 6,000 crores, feeding thousands of workers in places like Sivakasi. But here's the other side. The air turns deadly, animals panic, and hospitals see more patients overnight. Yes, bursting crackers gives few minutes of joy, but it is also a huge pocket burn, both health-wise and financially. So should you or should you not burst crackers? Or the better question is, do we really need smoke to celebrate the festival of lights?